Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's open the settings, which are right here in this upper panel. Here we've got the timer, so we've got off, 3 and 10 seconds options. So let me choose 10 seconds. It will be immediately marked. It is also notified in the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.